Let's prepare a quick and easy lunch idea. Ground provisions with liver and callaloo. Let's get into it. So we're going to start off by boiling some sweet potatoes and eddos. I added a little salt to that. Let it boil until tender. Next, we're going to prepare some sauteed thick leaf callaloo. So I added a little bit of onions, garlic, and 1 tomato here. Give it a stir and let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, and then in with our thick leaf callaloo. I will also add a little seasoning here. Everything is super simple. I'm using all-purpose chicken bouillon and black pepper. Give that a toss and allow it to go until it releases all of its moisture. You know, this is a very watery vegetable. So once the moisture is released, we're going to let that cook down a bit, allowing the moisture to evaporate. And that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. Now let's prepare the next dish. Next up, we have some cow livers. And here I'll add some bell peppers, garlic, onions, and some scallion with parsley. Give that a good stir and allow it to become nice and fragrant, and then we will follow up with our cow liver. I already seasoned this and I will list everything I use to make it nice and delicious. It was washed in lemon juice and vinegar, and then I seasoned it. And we're gonna let this go, until it cook through. Now, one thing about liver, if you overcook it, it's going to become tough and you're going to remove all the nutrients. So once it looks like it cooks through, you're going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. This is optional, but I just like it in here. A little bit of tomato sauce and some Chinese sauce. I will also add a little bit of seasoning here. Give it a good stir and let it go for about a minute or so. Not too long, because remember, we do not want to overcook this. And that's basically it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. And when I tell you I enjoy this meal, it was so delicious. If you have any issues with low iron and stuff like that, and you got to take iron pills, this is the perfect recipe. So I did serve everything up, and like I said, it was so amazing. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.